Hi, my name is Caitlin Hecker, and this is my introduction video for AEP 800. A little bit about me. I just recently got married a couple months ago, so technically I'm Caitlin Schmidt. I just haven't gotten around to updating my name through Fort Hays, so I'm still Caitlin Hecker in Fort Hays' system. I live here in Hays with my husband and our two dogs. We're both from Hays, so it's nice to still be here as our family is all still here. I teach at one of our local elementary schools. It's actually the elementary school I attended as a student, so it's pretty cool to say that I've gone full circle. This will be my third year teaching. It will be my second year teaching fifth grade. My first year I taught second grade at another elementary school, and I missed the upper level students. I did all of my internships and student teaching at the 5th and 6th grade level, and that's definitely home for me. Excuse me. Some of my technology strengths and weaknesses. I would say that I am pretty tech savvy. I don't think I have any weaknesses when it comes to technology. I'm pretty good at figuring things out with technology, and I utilize it daily in my classroom. Without technology, I think I would be lost when it comes to teaching. So I don't think I have any weaknesses. I'm pretty confident in using it. I'm pretty confident in teaching with it. I actually considered pursuing my master's in informational technology, but last minute decided to get my reading specialist instead. I'm thinking maybe down the road I'll go back and get my second master's in information technology. Through the completion of this course, I would like to gain extra maybe teaching practices, instruction to utilize with my students, bring back some more innovative technology that I can use to better assist my students. Like I said, I use technology every day, so just finding new ways to make it more beneficial for my students as well as my teaching practices. I look forward to working through this course with you guys and getting to know you all.